Q&A time, part 2. Hey Aquanuts, I have got 5 questions that were asked by the people in the Swimming Pool and Spa Owners Group on Facebook. Starting out, Rebecca's husband asked, do you adjust alkalinity first or reduce your pH first? Well, Rebecca's husband, the answer is alkalinity. You always get your alkalinity right before trying to adjust your pH. The reason is alkalinity is a pH buffer. If your alkalinity is too low, then the pH is just going to run all over it and make it do whatever it wants. But if the alkalinity is real high, it's going to keep the pH in check. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I won't. Alkalinity. Jackie asked, what's your favorite drink to float in the pool with? Pina colada, virgin. Unless there's a bunch of kids around, then I'm going to need it straight. Maybe double. Jason asked, what is a good solution for mosquitoes? This is such a great question because I'm not sure anybody really knows, but I'm going to take a stab at it. Number 1, I have a service that comes by and sprays for them. I also talked with that service to find out which one of my trees or what I can do in my backyard to prevent them in the future. So I have a little plan where I make sure that I don't have any puddles, standing water, and I've trimmed back all of the extra foliage that is not really doing anything for the aesthetics of my yard anyway, but mosquitoes live under. So that's all I got for you. Matt asked, I'm getting sand at the bottom of my pool. Could it be the laterals in my sand filter? Yeah, it certainly could be. This happens a lot. The laterals get broken. See, that's pretty jacked up. It could also be your multi-port valve. There's a little gasket in there that sometimes gets worn down. That could be the case, but more than likely, you've got some jacked up laterals. Paula asked, is there a benefit to hard piping my equipment versus using the old flex pipe? Well, the answer is absolutely. PVC Schedule 40, which is what this is, will last a really long time. Number 1, it is UV resistant. This piece right here is probably about 20 years old. I cut it off of an old system and reused it for this part, which I forgot why I was going to use this. But anyway, this is a hard pipe or Schedule 40 PVC. It's strong, it's durable, it lasts. Plain and simple. So yes, go ahead and hard pipe your system. Thanks for the questions, guys. This has been part 2. We're obviously going to have a part 3, part 4 going on into the future. I've got a bunch more questions to get through, but I just wanted to do a little snippet, little short video just to make it fun for you guys to watch. Hope that you've enjoyed this. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this ugly mug in the future, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the button. It's somewhere down there. You know what to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, and if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer next time, leave them in the comment section. Go ahead. You can do it. Leave it in the comments. Down there. Comment section.